Asa sauce eh. Hello everyone. So for today's episode, home cooked meals na pudta. So let's eat. Of course, we have here Coke Zero. We have kinilaw, my favorite. We also have garlic shrimp. Of course, ang lato with suka nga daghan og sili. And syempre, di na to makalimtan ang rice. Kay mo ang perfect partner ani tanan. So let's eat. Unahon na to akong favorite with sili. Bangain. Next, shrimp. Sarap. Let's rehydrate. Ooh. Asa sauce eh. Oh. I hope lami ra pod yung ginakaon walang tanaw sa video. So let's wash it all down with Coke Zero. For now, di harata taman kay para di na mulawayon. That's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye!